today we got a new product we're going to be testing out. The name of it is True Wave Grilling, and it's a Canadian company that designed this, and the theory behind this product is it has these little troughs right here. Let's see, get it to show up. These little troughs right in there, and your juices from your meat that's sitting on top of these little rails drop down these little bars, these little troughs, and helps keep a moisture environment and more flavor vaporizing back up. So it's all full stainless steel, dishwasher safe. I believe you could heat it up to around 800 degrees, but they recommend not going over 500 just for flare-ups. And you can see through it, so it allows air to circulate for convection and smoke. So it's a pretty cool little design. I'm curious to see if it works good. But it's pretty heavy duty, really nice belt. Has nice little tack welding spots all over, hold it together. Troughs have nice little lifts in it. And then it comes with this little cleaning tool right here. And basically you just put it in the trough right here and you push it. You push all the junk and build up out on the grease. So we're gonna test this out today on, I'm gonna start the test just something simple on some chicken drums, store-bought, nothing special. We have a couple ingredients that need to go in this order. It's very important. We have bullet bourbon, and what you do is you pour out a big ass shot and you take it. Step number one, important. Okay. Now we have some R&R meat mix. This is just a little sample package I've had for a while. I'm going to use it up. Great stuff. You can see it has all kinds of different chilies and peppers, jalapenos, cumin. It's fantastic. It really is. And then just some regular mozzarella chicken seasoning. There's just some rubs I want to use up. I got a bunch of them. I want to go bad. And then I got this little oil spray bottle with some avocado oil. Will help use that to crisp up the skin. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of blot down some of the chicken, just remove some of the moisture. Not going to get super picky about it, just get some of it off. All right, that's pretty good right there. And then we're gonna go ahead and spray them some of this oil, get it going. And this thing works surprisingly well. Got the scale is zeroed out. I'm gonna go ahead and throw 2 pieces of chicken on here. And these ones weigh 12.33 ounces. So 12.33 ounces for one of them. Write it down. All right, take these out. Make sure everything's zeroed up. Just throw these other 2 in here and see. 12.22 ounces. So they're pretty close, and it really doesn't matter because I'm going to break them down in a percentage and find out the total moisture loss out of a mathematical percentage, not necessarily just a total weight of each one, so it's irrelevant on that part. So let's go ahead and get these on the smoker, and I think I will go with the first set, the 12.33 on the True Wave, and we'll go with these ones right here on the grate next to them. Got the Gorilla Grills OG Gorilla set up at 275 degrees, and we're gonna go ahead and throw on these chicken drumsticks and chicken legs, chicken drumsticks, whatever you want to call them, and see what happens with this True Wave product, see if it makes a difference. Spray everything down with this oil. Last thing I want is for it to stick. All right. And we got our chicken. I actually reweighed these, and I got 12.36 on these. So 12.36 is what we're going for. I wrote it down, put them on this True Wave. These are 12.22. Go ahead and put them on there. Up and see what happens. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Looking nice, real beautiful. So we'll go ahead and take a reading. I'm gonna use my new thermometer from bbqchicken and see what's going on with these. So I'm about 150. $152. Go ahead and flip these around. Let them get a little even. Oh yeah. Nice little color on them. See what these look like. Beautiful, no sticking. Flip these around. Alright, and I am going to increase this temperature to go ahead and crisp up the skin to about 325. Love this feature. The grill pot is burning nice and hot and you could just see all that beautiful pellets burning that smoke. It just never gets old to me, to be honest with you. And one thing I did want to show is this True Wave is doing what it says. There's some juices right here getting trapped, and then I could see some fats in here. It's probably hard to pick up on the camera, but it's definitely holding some juices in there. A little bit of fats right there. Here's how the chicken looks. So it's been about another 30 minutes and I want to check the temperature. Yeah, we're sitting at 190, which I like. I think the fat render out a lot in the skin. I got that from Malcolm Reed. 187, so these are done right here. 190 is where I like these. And these ones are falling behind. This is 180. That's right there, 190, so they're not too bad. 184 right here. So I'm gonna call them done. They're actually a couple degrees behind. I'll pull these ones off first, let them rest up, and then as I put them in a container, I will grab these and we will weigh them up and see what we got going on. So these ones right here are going to go on the blue plate. Turn this on. Zeroed out. Here's the True Wave plate right here. So let's throw these on and see what we got. Well, they feel actually a little crispy. Not bad. Let it settle down. 9.2 ounces. 0.02. And those were at 12.36. regular Gorilla ones, just on the grate. .48. Okay, so I crunched some numbers. The True Wave one, I had a difference of 3.34 ounces. So you have 12.36 minus 9.02 equals 3.34 ounces. On the ones on the regular factory grills, I had 3.74 ounces. So I had a total of 12.22 ounces. Then they weighed 8.48, so that leaves me 3.74. If I take the difference and divide it by the distance, the True Wave ones lost 27% moisture, and the grill ones lost 30.6% moisture. So they definitely held a little bit more moisture. You guys feel free to do the math on yourself and correct me and make sure I'm right, but I'm usually pretty good about that. All right, this is my wife trying it. She doesn't know which one's which.
Okay. This one's really juicy. Definitely flavorful. A little bit of a smoky taste.
Is the skin crispy at all, or not really?
No, not really. It's a little crispy, but not that much.
Want to try this one now?
Okay, let me try this one. Ouch, this is hotter. So really juicy. Less of a, I think less of a smoke ring. Definitely crispier, but I feel like that one has less of a smoke taste.
Really? Okay. So would you say one's juicier than the other? Or?
That one's juicier.
This one's juicier?
This one. This one's juicier. This is still juicy, but that one's definitely way juicier. A little bit more crispier on the skin, I think, but it's not as smoky as this one.
Okay. Okay, so she didn't know which one's which. Now it's my turn. I know which one's which. I'll go with the True Wave. Definitely juicy. It just freaking got all over my pants. Really good flavor. Nice smoke flavor. Definitely taste some smoke on that. Skin, even though it felt crispier, it's not bad. Not amazing, not bad. Let's try this one. All right. This is interesting. So this one does have a crispier skin. I wouldn't say the skin's crispier, but what it really is, because I could tell, the fat's rendered out better on the skin. That's what it really comes down to. So the skin's thinner, so therefore it has less of a bite through, it feels crispier. This one has definitely less flavor, no doubt. Definitely less flavor. This one 100% has more flavor, and I don't know why, but it has more smoke flavor. I can't explain the science behind that. Definitely more flavor, more smoke flavor. This one I would say is juicier for sure, and this one has more fat render out of it, so it has a better bite through. If I had to pick, I would pick the True Wave. I truly would. This one, the skin texture I do like better though, absolutely. But the flavor you can't match on that. Definitely gonna do some more testing on different proteins, but unfortunately it's a 50-50 mix. You guys take your own conclusion out of it. There's the math, there's the numbers. That's my honest results. That's my wife's honest results. She doesn't know which one's which. Maybe I'll get some more people involved and we'll figure this out. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.